Hey, health warriors! Welcome to Eat, Relax, and Thrive. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because today we're uncovering the shocking science behind fasting and how it can transform your body, mind, and health. Ever wondered, can skipping meals really detox my body? Stick around. The answers will blow your mind. Myth: fasting slows your metabolism. Truth: research says fasting ignites fat burn, repairs cells, and even boosts brain power. Ready to unlock the secrets? Let's go. This is autophagy, your body's self-cleaning mode. A cell metabolism study found fasting triggers this process, flushing toxins and recycling damaged cells. Think of it as a cellular detox. Fasting spikes fat-burning hormones like norepinephrine. A obesity review study showed intermittent fasting melts 3 to 8% of body fat in 3 to 24 weeks. Say goodbye to belly flab. Benefit number 3, boosts brain power. Fasting ramps up BDNF, a protein that grows new brain cells. Johns Hopkins research links fasting to sharper focus, better memory, and 50% lower Alzheimer's risk. Benefit number 4, fights inflammation. Chronic inflammation causes diseases like arthritis. A University of California study found fasting slashes inflammatory markers by 40%. Cool the flames inside you. Scene 3, benefit number 5, resets your gut. Fasting gives your gut a break, letting good bacteria thrive. A Nature study showed it reduces leaky gut and improves digestion. Bye-bye bloating. Benefit number 6, lowers blood sugar. Fasting improves insulin sensitivity. A JAMA trial found it slashed blood sugar by 20 to 30% in pre-diabetics. Say hello to steady energy. Benefit number 7, supercharges mental clarity. No food fog. Fasting boosts ketones, fueling your brain for laser focus. A PNAS study reported 54% of fasters feel mentally sharper in 3 days. Boom! Fasting isn't a fad, it's biology. Drop a comment. Which benefit shocked you most? Smash like if you learned something, share with a friend, and subscribe for more life-changing health hacks. Stay fierce, stay fasting.